Okay, so let's talk about how to operate the hot water heater. Now this coach is equipped with an instant on hot water heater, which is great. It saves gas and effort and drama. Now, for the most part, if I've set up and delivered, you won't have to worry about this, but on the off chance that you're doing it yourself, the worst thing you might have to do is come back to the rear driver's side panel. You'll see this says hot on demand. And if you kind of pull and twist until that lines up with the hole, this will open. And all you need to do, literally the only thing you need to do in here is make sure that this switch is flipped on. So you're going to push the single line in. So it is on, okay, just so you can see. And then close it right back up. You might have to wiggle this panel a little, or see how this little muffler here is just a little bit in the way. There we go. And then you kind of pull this and turn it until it stays locked in place. Once that's on, obviously you have first, I should have mentioned, make sure the water is set up first. You need to make sure that you have water going to the coach, that you've let the air out of the lines, and that water is properly functioning inside the coach. Then just make sure that the gas is on. We do that by unscrewing these guys right here on the front. They tilt back. See that? It kind of pushes back. You lift up, and you're going to open these valves all the way counterclockwise. As you can see, these are already on. Make sure that you close this back up. Helps keep some of the critters and mess and whatnot out. And then when you enter the coach, it will likely already be working, but on the off chance that it isn't, the control unit for the gas is in the bathroom, and you will notice this little panel. As soon as you walk in the doorway, there's a little panel over here. Just press the power button. And you can see right now it's showing us the current temperature. If you press up or down, it lets you modify the temperature of the hot water that will come out of your faucet. 123 degrees is the maximum. Trust me, that is more than enough for a nice hot shower. And if you come over to the faucet, turn on your water to the hot side, within just a few seconds you should feel hot water. I'm waiting until I do, just to be certain. Once it charges the lines and you have hot water in the lines, it's a lot faster. And there we go, hot water. I mean, you can't tell, but you'll just have to take my word for it. All right, that is how we operate the hot water. You can actually see when you're using it, that little symbol will come on and show you that it is functioning and heating. So there we go.